Okay, Justice Thomas apparently has been receiving lavish vacations from a billionaire and didn't report them. All right, I know how much of a pain in the neck it is to report gifts from people. I had to do it when I was a state judge. The federal rules are even stricter. In Justice Thomas's case, these were many, many very lavish, very expensive trips. There's an exception to the reporting requirement for hospitality. Hospitality is defined as staying overnight in someone's home or in a hotel room that they have paid for, or dining with that person. And Justice Thomas declined or failed to report that. Now it turns out that Justice Thomas has been receiving rental income from a phantom organization, from some organization that hasn't existed, or company that hasn't existed since 2006. I don't know if these reports are true or not. I mentioned them to you because this is going to be the basis of a major push to attempt to drive him from the court, as conservatives drove Justice Abe Fortas from the court in the 60s when LBJ was president. Liberals are going to try and drive Clarence Thomas from the court while Joe Biden's in the White House, while the Democrats have 51 senators in the Senate. They'd love nothing more than to switch, than to replace Justice Thomas with a choice of Joe Biden's. This will change the ideological balance of the court substantially. It won't tip it over to the liberals, but it would change it substantially. Is this a basis to impeach him? Probably not. Is this a crime? No, it's not. Is a violation of legal ethics? It may be. I don't know. I say I don't know because technically the legal ethics rules don't apply to justices of the Supreme Court. They apply to state judges. They apply to federal judges. They apply to every judge in the union except the Supreme Court of the United States. There are federal statutes that require reporting of gifts and benefits, even for justices of the Supreme Court. But these are not criminal statutes; these are administrative statutes. So the failure to comply with them results in a compulsory report of them. It doesn't result in any prosecution or impeachment. So again, I know the liberals can't stand Justice Thomas. I think he's a great jurist. I don't know where this is going to go, but I point it out to you because it's a danger, and this for Justice Thomas, and this battle is coming. Why he didn't report this stuff? Well, in the one case, the hospitality, there was an exception. This latest stuff that came out this morning, I really don't know. How could he receive income from a corporation that doesn't exist? What's the true origin of the income? And why didn't he report it? Questions that hopefully he will answer. It won't satisfy those who want him on the Supreme Court, no matter what his answers are.